Vegan banana apple muffins have the texture of banana bread in muffin form. They're light and fluffy with big chunks of sweet apple. They're such an easy grab-and-go breakfast or snack. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Combine bananas with aquafaba, applesauce, vanilla extract, and a little bit of oil in your blender. Don't worry if you've never used aquafaba before, it's just the liquid from canned beans and it makes an excellent egg replacer. Whoops, then take a break because you spilled oil on your shirt. Then combine all of your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Mix those together until they're well combined. Then add the wet ingredients and mix again until you have a thick batter. Mix in your apple pieces. Then scoop the batter into a lined muffin tin and bake. After baking, let them cool, and then your banana apple muffins are ready to eat. Just look at that fluffy texture. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these vegan banana apple muffins. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!